Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some cheese roll, and in this bowl I have 3 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of lard, and I have 2.5 tablespoons of butter, which is like 3/4 sticks of the butter. Alright, and I have a pinch of sugar, and I'm going to combine everything together and let it crummy. Alright, and then get it crummy. Mix it up well. I'm gonna add some cold water. Alright, so bring it all together, and remember we ain't needing this, we just squeezing it all together, form a ball, and I'm going to rest it in the fridge. Okay, and then I can get the cheese and everything together. Alright, so stay tuned. And I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag if you don't have the plastic wrap. Alright, so this is the filling. I have 1 pound of cheddar cheese. I have 2 tablespoons of the butter. I have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper sauce, and 2 tablespoons of mustard. And I'm going to combine all together. Now I'll just use a little of the garlic powder first, because I don't want it to overpower it. I just wanted to make it even taste. Alright, and then I'm dividing the yolk. Egg white from the yolk. That is a basin. Alright, I will be listing all the ingredients in the description bar down below. I'm gonna beat this up and then set it aside. Then I'm gonna roll off the pastry dough. So just flour the surface. This is the dough. I'm gonna cut it using a knife. Alright, set this aside, one side, and I'm going to roll up this portion here and start the process. Okay, roll it like a bar, and then okay, I don't want this to be so I just finished rolling it off, and I'm gonna cut it. As we all know, we don't want to put too much so that it will ooze out when it starts to cook. Alright, I'm going to show you guys using to oops, shit. Alright, I'm going to cut off the ends, because the fork, I'm going to use another fork. Normally you take the water or something and make sure so you seal this hair properly so that you won't able to alright. I'm going to rest on a flat sheet, and then I'm going to put some holes in it. Let me show you one more. Alright. Alright. Alright, I'm going to turn it over. Okay, so now I'm going to put some holes in it, then I'm going to base it. Alright, oven hotting in the meanwhile, so I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it gets to the color that I'm looking for. Alright, so now I'm going to add it put it in the oven and let it bake. Alright, this will look like when it's finished. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up.